hello road sign Phoenix, 30 miles more. I've been walking for so long, my feet are sore. I lost my old coat somewhere back down the road. Never thought that wind could turn so doggone cold. And my bottle's empty and 20 cents to my name. A red shirt faded pink from last night's rain. Lord, it poured, but I'll see Phoenix tomorrow anytime. I don't much mind, 'cause there's many more miles and cities on down the line. Cities spread apart by highways in between, and miles of nothing but country I ain't never seen. I might settle down in a year or so, I don't know, 'cause there's many more miles and cities more to go. Some old dog's been following me at my feet, and he don't know I ain't got nothing to eat. But in the city we'll find scraps of food somewhere, and we won't fuss about the food, 'cause we don't care. I thought I'd buy a car to travel in, but then I'd have to work for gasoline, and I can't have a luxury to slow me down, 'cause every day I'll see a brand new town. Cities spread apart by highways in between, and miles of nothing but country I ain't never seen. I might slow it down in a year or so, I don't know, 'cause there's many more miles and cities more to go. Yes, there's many more miles and cities more to go.